Hi, this is BizLink Taipei, and today it is December 29th, and right now we want to demo another demonstration of our Type-C docking station, which can interact with the pure NXP Type-C host. As you see here, that we have this. This is the NXP's NXP host, and it has the display port and the USB port connected to this notebook, and this Type-C cable it will connect to the board here. That is the BizLink docking station. Connect to this place later, and we have this output of the display port from this board output connected to this monitor. And on this screen we have the UR console, so that when we plug in, you can see that they are PD protocol communication messages scrolling down that really manifest that our Type-C PD protocol are truly authentically working now. Okay, so Leo, can you plug in the NXP host power? Then the Type-C docking station. Okay, press the enter so that the console message can have. Okay, now plug in the Type-C cable. And the screen, it show up, and we can have the close out of the message here. Yes, so that's it. Our BizLink Type-C docking station. It can interact successfully with NXP host. Thanks.